how to edit footer in Shopify. So first go to your admin dashboard here and then click on online store. Let's wait for it to load, and then after that just click on customize here. Okay, now we're going to look for footer, and this is it. Just click on footer. Now it will scroll down to the footer, and then these are the settings for your footer. For example, I want to change this one, the subscribe to our emails. Let's say I want to change it to subscribe to our email list, and as you can see, it's now edited. And you can also add sections and add blocks here. So just customize the footer here however you want. And after that, just click on save. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.